Okay, so the final rise in the oven is done. You can see that it's filled right, like the dough has risen right up to the top of the bowl. So what I'm gonna do now is, this is when we're going to be shaping the loaves. So what I do is I just take this off to the side. I just dust the board here with just a bit of a sprinkling of flour. And what I want to do when I pour this dough, see it's pretty wet and sticky. But what I want to do is scrape it as I go, because I want to keep as much of the air that's developed into the dough without punching it down. So I just gently peel it out, and you see it kind of oozes everywhere. And then what I do is I just sprinkle right across the center there, because that's where I'm going to cut it, and that just helps keep the scraper from sticking. Then I just take my scraping blade, cut it right in half like this, and it's just kind of a little bit of my flour here, you can see. It's a little bit of a trick, but I just kind of scrape it over. Make sure there's a little bit of flour underneath your dough. If it starts to stick a bit, I just tap my scraper into the flour. You can see the bubbles just popping out of it. It's amazing. That means we're going to have good success, like so. Don't get your hands in it too much, because it will stick, but that's okay. I'm going to just let that sit like that. Do the other one, scrape underneath, all the way around, so that it loosens off the board there. Okay, flip it over, like so. Looks like this one might be just a touch bigger than the other, not a biggie. Just gently, 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 kind of form it into a bit of a ball. And these are gonna sit here and just rest for about 30 minutes, okay? So that's all there is to that one. Sorry, there's just so many videos. I am not the YouTube expert, but I'll be back in 30 minutes after these have just rested. Okay, see you soon.